So in this video, I'll show you how to convert data from another scale manufacturer over into the Sheeta software. So here I have data from a CAS scale. I got this data exported out from the CAS software. So what I could tell is I have PLU numbers. PLU type, I believe number 1 indicates for by weight items. You have your item code, which is I believe your barcodes, and then you have the name obviously for the products. And over here you have pricing and then some other fields that you may or may not use, so depending on what is required, such as I believe the 21 is a sell by date, and you have tears as well. So what we can do here with this data, we're going to try and import it into SLP5. So first I'm going to open SLP5. I'm going to create a simple test PLU with a price of $1. I'll keep it by weight and we'll hit save, and then we can export. We'll close that. So now you see my test data for price of $1. We're going to export this data out under PLU Sheeta.txt. We'll save that. We'll replace it. We'll say line by line with no font, tab form. We'll execute that. Actually, before you execute that, you want to specify the fields that you want to utilize. So I'm going to use PLU, sales mode, price, barcode, and description. We'll hit save, and then we can hit export the file, and then from there I can go back into Excel, go file, open, PLU Sheeta.txt. I'll click next. You see the data out here. I'm in tab form. We'll hit finish. So that's my data that I created. So now, because I have my headers here, we can go ahead and copy and paste from my data here. So I'm just going to take a small sample, take from 88 to 94, and I will paste that in to the PLU number section here. So right click, we'll paste the values, and then go back and forth between that. I'm not going to paste this one because I know one it doesn't compute in the Sheeta language. So here sales mode as 0 for weight, so I'm going to just highlight that and go Control D to copy that down. Everything's going to be by weight. Next is price, so I'll get the price from over here, and then right click copy, and then right click here and paste those values. POS code, which is my barcode, so go into here, get my barcodes, copy, into this one, paste that, and then finally PLU name, go back here, copy, and then paste that here, and I believe there's a second line here. Yeah, it's red pepper. So right click, copy, and back and forth. So right click, paste. Okay, so now I have this done, so I'm going to click on save. We have to close it. Go back to SLP5. And again, I only have the one PLU there. I'm going to go import from text file. Select that file I created. Make sure it's under PLUs, tab, and line by line with no fonts. And then we'll hit the execute button. Once that's done, we go back in, and then we can see my data has been imported in. So you have a way of importing in data from another scale manufacturer as long as you can get readable data, and all you're doing is copying and pasting.